Hey everyone, Conga Dan here. How's it going? Just down here at the river, the Ganaraska River. It's been a long time since I've been able to be down here. I fear the rains keep coming, they won't stop. No, they won't stop. It's been raining for 40 days and 40 nights, it seems. We finally have some sun up there. So I come and sit, not in my normal spot, 'cause the river is too high, I fear. With all the recent flooding, rainfall, high water, there's not much of a beach to sit at. Listen to those rapids roar. Huh. It's usually a little calmer, but you know, the more water we get, the more water we get. So anyway, Southern Ontario is beautiful. We're getting ready for the Canada Day weekend, July 1st, Saturday. Parades, fireworks, all the wonderful things that come with it, children's events, live free bands, and don't forget the beer tent. I went shirtless today, just trying to get a little bit of sun because I look like a white boy. Well, I am a white boy. But anyway, I like to have a tan. I'm not afraid of the sun. It's not going to hurt me. I need that vitamin D. We all need vitamin D. With all the rain, you start to get depressed, start to get sad. You can't sleep as well at night. That's because you're lacking vitamin D from the sun. It's a very key important element in our vitamins and minerals. One of the most important. As I said, lack of sunlight, lack of vitamin D causes depression, sadness, many different things like that. I just love it down here though. You can't be sad down here, it's pretty hard. Try to cry, the river roars it out anyway, so you can't hear yourself. I hope you can hear my harmonica, I'm sure you can. I'm just trying to change it up a bit. I've been down at the other end of the river, at the mouth of the river, where it runs into Lake Ontario, for quite a few videos. I haven't been up this way in a bit. It is beautiful. 5 minutes from downtown Port Hope, and I feel like I'm in the middle of nowhere, all alone. Aw, poor me. Nah, I'm not really alone. I've got all you keeping me company. So anyway, like my videos and subscribe. I'll keep posting. I'll probably keep posting even if you don't subscribe. It's a source of venting for me. It gives me a chance to be a little creative. And I love nature so much. I like to share it. There are a lot of places that don't have the kind of beauty, nature that we have here in Canada. Anyway, Conga Dan out. Have a good one, folks.